How to make a call using speed dial on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone application. Then down at the bottom here, make sure you select keypads. And then simply touch and hold on the speed dial number to place a call. Here, so I can touch and hold on number 2, and that will initiate the speed dial to that contact. Now, if you haven't assigned a contact to the speed dial number, you can do so. So if this number hasn't been assigned, you can touch and hold. And from here, you can assign a contact. So now if I touch and hold on number 5, it will make a call to that contact. Another way to do it is to go into settings and then tap on speed dial numbers. From here, from the list, select a contact. So here we can, for number 6, so from the drop down you can choose a speed dial number. So here we can have all the way up to 999. So I'm going to select number 6, and from here you can select a contact and assign it to speed dial number 6. After that, tap on the back key, and now if I touch and hold on number 6, it will place the call using speed dial shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.